In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Schwab two-factor auth. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to feel confident that your account is better protected. First, a quick refresher on what two-factor authentication, or 2FA, actually does. Normally, you sign in with a username and password. With 2FA, you add a second check, like a temporary code, so even if someone guesses or steals your password, they still can't get in. It's a simple extra step that dramatically increases your security and helps prevent unauthorized access. Let's get started inside your account. Sign into your Schwab account the way you normally do. Once you're in, look toward the top right for the profile menu. Open that, then choose Security Settings. This is your central hub for protecting your login, and it's where you'll turn on two-step verification. Inside Security Settings, find the section labeled Two-Step Verification. Click Edit or Enable. This page is where you control how two-factor behaves on your account. If you ever need to adjust your preferences later, you'll come back to this same place. Next, you'll choose how often two-step verification applies. You'll see two options. The first is only on untrusted devices, which is less strict. With this choice, devices you've told Schwab to trust won't ask for a code every time. The second is always at login, which I recommend for maximum security. Always at login means every sign-in requires both your password and the additional verification, which is the most effective defense against phishing, password reuse, and sign-ins from unexpected locations. If you prefer fewer prompts, only on untrusted devices can be convenient, but remember that a device becomes untrusted again if you clear cookies, switch browsers, or use a new computer. Traveling, using a private window, or certain network changes can also trigger a new verification. After you enable your preference, follow the on-screen prompt to confirm setup. You may be asked to verify your identity with a temporary code using your existing verification method. Enter the code when prompted, and you're done. Once verified, your 2FA is active. On your next login, expect the new flow. First your password, then your code. Keep your verification method accessible when you sign in, and avoid sharing devices when possible. If you ever can't complete verification, visit Security Settings to review your options or contact support for help regaining access. That's it. Simple, effective, and well worth the minute it takes to set up.